told you. The same thing I just told you.
Now you put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not getting arrested. Chill, I'm not getting arrested, bro. No. I don't need to get arrested, bro. I'm fine. I'm listening to you. We're talking, bro.
No, you're not listening.
Yes, I am. You don't need to arrest me.
You do.
No, you don't. You don't need to arrest me.
On March 2nd, 2021, at 8:50 a.m., Broward Sheriff's Office responded to Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport, Florida. A Spirit Airlines supervisor at Gate G2 reported a female passenger causing a disturbance. Spirit Airlines denied boarding to Miss Diaz at Gate G2, citing apparent intoxication under 14 CFR Part 121.575, which prohibits carriers from permitting visibly intoxicated passengers on aircraft. Her companions had already boarded. Upon arrival, the officer contacted the supervisor, who stated Miss Diaz appeared intoxicated, was loud and belligerent, and had knocked airline property to the floor. Miss Diaz denied the accusation, claiming she had been asleep at the gate.
What's up?
She appears to be intoxicated. I can't board her in that manner.
Okay.
Bro, are you serious?
All right. Las Vegas flight?
You called the car?
You're not, listen.
Bitch.
Listen, you're not being...
Listen, I'm not intoxicated. I can get on the plane. I cannot afford the next ticket. So where the is the manager and who the is paying for my next ticket? Because I'm not paying for this shit.
She is the manager.
Okay, then you can pay for the ticket for me to get to California. Because I'm not paying for this shit. I'm perfectly fine. I'm not intoxicated.
She's refunded? Yeah.
I'm not refunding shit.
No, they
pay
already...
for the next ticket, bitch. Pay for it, period.
Come talk to me, please.
I'm talking to you, bro.
Relax.
They should have let me on this plane.
Okay,
she's being a bitch and she knows it.
Let's start from the...
She knows it.
Let's start from the beginning. All right?
You want to start from the side?
All right, yeah. You obviously arrived here, and what happened when you got here?
I don't know. I was literally sleeping.
Listen, I'm standing right here.
I was sleeping, waiting for the plane, bro.
Where, over here?
Literally right there, yes.
Okay, so then what happened?
Yes.
So then what happened? Well, you were sleeping, you woke up.
I woke up to them complaining about me. I don't understand what the problem is.
What were they
I
complaining
just want to
about?
get on the plane. I just want to go home.
All right, I understand. Let me see your ID so I can get some information.
She has my ID.
No, she might have your driver's license or passport. Okay.
Where's the mask?
So let's see.
I had a mask. This was fine. I got through TSA perfectly fine. So I'm good. This is the mask.
All right. So
Thank you.
Miss Diaz.
Yes.
Let's go talk up front.
No, I want to talk right here.
You can't.
Because I'm not going. I'm getting on the plane.
See, the door's closed. They can't reopen it.
I'm not paying for this shit.
I'm not talking about.
I'm not paying for it. I'm not doing that.
I'm not saying you have to pay for anything.
I want to fucking go home. I want to go home. And she's being a fucking bitch.
All right. If you don't stop now, you're gonna have to come with me and go to the county jail. If that's what you want, that's what we can do. It's up to you right now. Make a decision.
What are you going to put me in jail for? I haven't done anything illegal.
For being in an airport. You're causing a disturbance. You can be arrested for that. You want to do that? It's up to you. I'm giving you the option. You can either listen. You can walk quietly.
I want to go home.
Ms. Diaz, you're not
I want to go home. It's just being a fucking bitch.
Well, let's go. Come on.
No, I want to go home.
It's either you go front with me or you go to jail. It's one or the other.
For your safety, please do not leave luggage unattended.
That's the only two choices we have.
Luggage will be removed and aided.
Where do you want me to go? What the f*** do you want me to talk about the same thing I just fucking told you? The same thing I just fucking told you.
Now you put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not getting arrested. Chill, I'm not getting arrested, bro. No. I don't need to get arrested, bro. I'm fine. I'm listening to you. We're talking, bro.
No, you're not listening.
Yes, I am. You don't need to arrest me.
You do.
No, you don't. You don't need to arrest me.
Yeah.
fine. Are you detaining me?
No, you're being arrested.
Are you detaining me?
Well, yeah, and you're being arrested. For disorderly conduct.
Warning call for all those very flight 2616 to Detroit.
I tried to talk to you, try to be calm. You don't want to listen, so you have to go. I'm gonna have to take her 1019 because I'm in a pool car. I don't have a printer or nothing.
Please, can we just talk about it outside?
Under Florida Statute Section 509.143, an airline may remove a passenger who appears intoxicated to a degree endangering safety. The law requires no breath test. A reasonable, good faith assessment of observable behavior is fully sufficient. The officer gave Ms. Diaz 4 to 5 opportunities to walk with him voluntarily rather than face arrest, consistent with Police Executive Research Forum guidelines emphasizing time, distance, and communication before any physical intervention. Under Florida Statute Section 877.03, disorderly conduct includes any act constituting a breach of the public peace. Airport gate areas carry heightened scrutiny. The public safety interest in secure, high-traffic transit hubs is especially strong. After repeated ignored warnings, the officer determined probable cause for disorderly conduct existed. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989, this decision is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. Florida Statute Section 776.05 authorizes reasonable non-deadly force to effect a lawful arrest when a subject does not submit peacefully. The officer applied soft, empty hand control, only no strikes, no weapons. Minimum force was correctly used. Following the arrest, Ms. Diaz expressed distress over her inability to post bail. The officer responded calmly and explained the process. This post-arrest communication, while not required by law, reflects positively on professional standards. A female officer was summoned for the pat-down search of Ms. Diaz. Under Florida law enforcement policy, cross-gender searches require a same-sex officer when reasonably available. This procedural step was correctly followed by the arresting officer. Ms. Diaz challenged her arrest, noting the word drunk did not appear in the officer's report. The officer confirmed this. The charge under Section 877.03 was based solely on disorderly conduct, sustained disruptive behavior, not intoxication. 10 days later, on March 12th, a detective interviewed the Spirit Airlines supervisor. She confirmed Ms. Diaz had been staggering, exhibiting slurred speech, and had fallen at the gate, all observable prior to the officer's arrival on scene. The supervisor further confirmed that Ms. Diaz's travel group of 7 to 10 people had all boarded. When informed she could not board, Ms. Diaz threw the gate keyboard to the floor at gate G2, adding a potential property damage element to the case. Ms. Diaz was charged with disorderly conduct under Florida Statute Section 877.03. Her bond was set at $25, reflecting the misdemeanor classification. The final disposition of the case remains unknown at the time of this analysis.
Can we what?
Can we just talk about whatever it is we talk about outside?
I gave you like 4 or 5 opportunities.
You have your computer? Because I have a printer.
I have my laptop, yeah.
You could probably print it from mine.
We'll try it. I gave you like 4 or 5 opportunities to walk and talk with me. And then you kept throwing a fit, then you started to walk, then you threw your stuff on the ground, everybody's looking at you, you have to go to jail. We're in an airport, we're not at the friggin' county, we're not at the park.
Please, I just want to go home. I was just trying to go home.
You're gonna get home, it's just gonna be a little delayed.
I wasn't even doing anything. Please. Please. Ask them. I wasn't doing nothing. Please. Please. I was just trying to go home. Please, I just want to go home. Please. Please. I wasn't even doing anything in the airport. I don't even know why he even said anything. I was sleeping. I shit you not. I was fucking sleeping, bro. I was fucking sleeping and they woke me up with that shit. Please. Please, 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 please. I cannot stay the night in jail, please. I don't want anyone here having nothing. I don't have any money. I'm not even gonna be able to bail myself out. Please, please, please. Please, sir. Please. Please. I don't have any money. I can't bail myself out. Please, please. I just want to go home. I'm tired trying to cause a nuisance. Please, 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 please. Please, sir, please. I please.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking for this route to personal number 2. Once again, please got the right in on Airline
I gave you an opportunity.
You're looking at currently en route to personal number 2. Thank you for taking care of
Please, please, I
Watch your step. You have gloves? Pat it down for you.
Got it for a second?
Yeah, I got it.
Like I said, the pool car, everything friggin' all over.
Let me pat it down first for you.
Yeah.
So, you got it?
I got it.
Thank you.
I wasn't doing anything. I was literally sleeping. I was literally sleeping. I don't know why they got so mad. Please.
You have anything on you that's gonna poke me
No,
or anything?
I just want to
Or
go
anything sharp?
home. Please. Please, please, please. Oh, please, please. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Please. Seriously, are you serious? Please, please let me stay. Please. Please, I don't have anyone to bail me out. I can't afford to bail me out. Please. Please. Bro, I obviously don't have anything. Like, come on.
You want to take that cuff off and we'll slide the purse?
I
was literally sleeping. I don't even know what happened. I was sleeping. I was literally sleeping. I don't know what happened. Please. Please.
don't know if this is one of the same as our 11, but can we check with the temp?
What color do you have a shirt on? Black shirt? Black tank top?
I have a bra.
Just a bra? And your sweatshirt?
Yes.
Okay.
You're
gonna have to take You're gonna have to take your earrings off.
Why?
Because they're gonna need to take them off.
What time did I have?
Yeah, you're gonna want me to take them off because they're not gonna be so nice over there. So
903 hours.
I'm gonna take them off.
03 hours.
Can you turn the other way so I can take the other ones off? I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to have to pull.
I don't want you to touch me.
But I have to take your earrings off. You're not understanding me. It's gonna be better if I do it than if they do it.
The responding officer receives a B+. De-escalation was patient and consistent across multiple attempts. Force was minimal, and post-arrest conduct was professional. A minor deduction applies for escalating to a jail threat before exhausting all options. Miss Diaz receives a C+. Her frustration was legitimate, but sustained profanity in public, repeated refusal to comply with officer directives, and displacing airport property provided multiple independent bases for arrest, all of which were avoidable. Spirit Airlines receives a B. The supervisor correctly applied 14 CFR, Part 121, and Florida Statute Section 509.14 3 inches denying boarding. Points deducted for a 10-day delay in the witness statement and a notably high volume of similar recurring incidents. 3 lessons emerge. Emotional disputes in public airports carry legal risk. Complying with police preserves not waives your right to contest in court. and institutions must audit recurring incident patterns to improve passenger handling. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next one.